Hi guys, so today in this video I am going to show you how to install Mac OS on our Windows. So to do that we need something called as VMware VirtualBox. So I am going to use this Oracle VirtualBox. So it's a free software. You can just go on to Google and type download Oracle VMware, then you will get the option to download and just download and install it. So after downloading that, the next step is to download this Mac OS. So the link will be provided in the description box, so you can just go and download from here. It's of 6 GB. So after downloading I will show you how what all it will be there. So this is the zip file which you will get after downloading. So after that you have to extract that. So I have already extracted. So let's see what all is there. So here we have three things. So I will show you now how to install this thing. So let's power up our VMware and we'll go and click on this new. Now we'll name our OS as Mac OS. We'll give one name, and this thing you can change location wherever you want to install, you can do. So as of now I will let it be by default. Here we will select Mac OS and 64-bit. So after that we'll do next. Now here it's asking to provide RAM for the virtual OS. So here I'm going to provide it as 4 GB. Okay. Now it is saying us to select hard disk. So we have already downloaded our file. So what we will do is we will go for this last option and then we'll click on this folder icon and then we'll click on add. Now we'll go and on this file where I have downloaded and extracted, and we'll select this one, Mac OS Catalina, and we'll open it, and after that choose and we'll create it. So see, these all are the details of our this thing OS. So before installing it we have to change some settings so that our VM will not stuck or it will give us fast processing. So what we'll do is we'll go on this settings. Under setting we'll go in this advanced option. So you can see here shared clipboard, make it as bidirectional, drag and drop also bidirectional. Then in system we will deselect this floppy and optical. We'll just let this hard disk will be there, and in display just make it as max, and here in graphic controller select as VMS VGA. Then for storage it's showing that 6 GB. Our main file is of 6 GB, but here virtual site is showing 100 GB. So what it means is that our OS it will automatically expand till 100 GB after when we will start to use. So that's it. Then in USB here select 3.0 USB 3.0 if it is available in your system, but for me it's not available, so I will let it be like that only. Then we'll click on OK. Before starting this we have to run some command so that our OS don't throw any kind of error. So what we will do is we will open command prompt. So before proceeding we will open our command prompt and see, go to the folder where you have downloaded and extracted this Mac OS. So I will go there. Now here you can see this thing, this code is there. So now what we have to do is we have to replace we have to run all these command in our command prompt. Before doing that what we will do is we will copy our OS name. We will go for setting, and this is our OS. We will copy this name, then we'll open this one, and here what we will do is we will replace the name. What we'll do is with this your virtual machine name, this all will be replaced with let's say copy, edit, replace. Okay, and we will replace it with what was our name, Mac OS. And replace all. Okay, now everything is replaced. So what we have to do is we will just copy this first line of command, and then we'll execute this command in our command prompt. Now it took us inside this virtual box where our OS is going to install. Run this all command step by step. Don't run this command first, then everything run everything in sequence. So first we did first one, now we'll do the second one. We'll just paste here, enter. Now we'll run this one. Enter. Now we'll run this one. Now we'll run this one. It should be run in order, sequentially. We have to go through each and every step. Just copy and paste. Now last one. Now our all command we already run. Now what we'll do is we'll just close it. So after running this all command, now what we'll do is we'll just close it, and we'll go for our virtual box, and then we'll click on this green start button, and we'll wait. Now the installation will start. The installation will take some time depending on your hardware, so it will take some time. Let's wait. I'll pause this video till we get this till we get our OS. As you can see here, still the OS is installing, so it will take some time depending on your system. So I will pause this video. Once this installation is completed, then again I will come back. So finally the OS have installed. Now once the installation completes, then it will reboot our virtual machine. Now let's wait. It will hardly take 20 minutes to half an hour, so depend on your system. And yeah, one thing I forgot to say, so while setting this thing, in setting I forgot to mention that thing. In system, when you go for processor, make this processor as max as much you can. Like I made it for 4 so that it will not be slow, it will be fast. That was one thing which I forgot to mention that time. Now let's see, let the system get rebooted. As you can see, the system rebooted. Now here we have to select our region. You can select as per your region. So I will select as India. Continue. So see here it's saying to transfer information. So as of now I don't want to transfer anything, so I will click on this don't transfer any information now and continue. Now it's asking for your Apple ID. If you want to, if you have Apple ID one, then you can log in as of now only, and if you don't have, then what you can do is you can just click setup later and do offline. We'll skip this and we'll move forward for next step. Let's see. Okay, now it is showing the terms and condition, so you can go through these all, and after reading, just what you can do is you just click agree. Now here it's asking name, so you can give your name. So password I will give it as QWERTY as of now. and hint I will give as key. Okay, continue. So basically it is nothing but just it is creating one account just for this OS. Just for this OS it is creating account. Like in Windows we will give our username and password, same it is the same process. So now we'll click on customize setting. Okay, continue. Now you can select your time zone based on your region. So what I will do is I will just select this one. Anything in India you can just select. Continue. Continue. Then screen time and all it's asking, so what we will do is we'll just skip this thing and we'll just do setup later. It's processing, so it's a bit slow, though you have high power capacity of system, but it might be a bit slow. It's not like Windows that normally we will install Windows, then it's not so fast like our Windows. So but still it will do. Now here you can choose your theme, which theme you want. So as of now I will go with dark theme and continue. Now it is setting up the MacBook, so let's just wait for the setup to be completed. Okay, it came, so we'll click on continue. Okay, it's identifying our keyboard. So what okay, it's asking to press the key, and here what we'll do is we'll just use as United States only. Done. As you can see, now our MacBook is installed. So see, now it's looking awesome. Okay, we can check this. See, everything is as of MacBook. Now it is installed on our virtual machine. So in this way, even you can update your software. In this way we can install Mac in our virtual machine on Windows. So and for this display thing, I am going to select this is small screen. So for fixing up that, there is one more, this thing, Mac resolution, this thing. So what you have to do is just open command prompt and type this command as shown here. So we'll do that. We'll see. Next step, method one is this one. So just copy this thing, and instead of your this your VMware name, just we'll write our VMware name, and we'll copy this up to till this one, and we'll paste this here, and let's check if it got fixed or what. Okay, I think it's not getting fixed, so let me see. Okay guys, so in next video I will be showing you the fix of this problem. So thanks for watching. Hit like button if you like, subscribe to the channel if you are new. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.